In this video, we are going to see how to make this beautiful jhumkas. So without wasting much time, let's begin.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Your Crochet.
In this earrings, I have used pearl anchors, pearl cotton, size 8 thread, 1 mm crochet hook, beads, scissors, tapestry needle and pins for attaching the earring. We'll be starting our earring from the center flower. For that, we are going to use this pen and we'll be wrapping around it around 10 times. Now we are going to work around this. This will be our basic circle and we are going to work around this single crochets. So insert, pull up the loop and we are going to work single crochets. So for that, chain 1, and insert into the circle, pull up, single crochet. So work single crochets all around. We are going to work 20 single crochets around this. All around 20 single crochets. So here I have finished working the single crochets, slip stitch and cut the yarn. You are going to continue working with the same color of yarn. No need to cut the yarn. You can start working continuously. As I am going to change the yarn, I have cut the yarn. Slip stitch with a new thread. If you are continuing your work with the same thread, just avoid this step. Chain 3. Now we are going to make a cluster of double crochets. So yarn over, insert into the same space where we worked the chain 3. Pull up, we have 3 loops, pull through 1, pull through 2 loops. We are not going to complete the double crochet. Instead, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, pull up, pull through 1 loop, pull through 2 loops. We have 3 loops on our hook. Again yarn over, insert into the same space where we worked our second double crochet, pull up, pull through 1, pull through 2 loops. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, pull through all the 4 loops. Chain 2, 3 and slip stitch into the next stitch. We are going to repeat this all around. So chain 3, unfinished double crochet into the same stitch, pull up, pull through 1, pull through 2, again yarn over, 2 double crochets into the next stitch. One more time, yarn over, insert, pull up, pull through 1 loop, pull through 2 loops. We have 4 loops on our hook, pull through all the 4 loops, chain 3, slip stitch into the next stitch. So just repeat this all around. So here we have 10 petals. Now chain 4, yarn over twice, insert into the next stitch, that is the starting stitch, pull up, pull through once, 1 loop, pull through 2 loops, again 2 loops, again 2 loops. Now we are going to work the top flower. For that, chain 4, slip single crochet into the next chain. Skip the very first chain. You have 4 loops, chain loops. Skip the very first and into the next we are going to work 6 single crochets into the next chain space, all into the same chain space. So 1 into the same space, 6 single crochets. Six single crochets, slip stitch into the first single crochet. Now we are going to work around this 6 single crochets, chain 3, yarn over, single crochet into the same space, double crochet into the same space, chain 2, stitch into the next stitch. In chain 3, a double crochet into the same stitch, chain 2, slip stitch into the next stitch. So repeat this all around. So we'll have 6 petals. So here we have reached the last petal, chain 2 into the starting space. We will be working a slip stitch, chain 1 and cut the yarn. For the jhumka part, magic circle, so yarn over. We will be working 6 single crochets into the magic circle. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. Now we will be working into these 6 single crochets and increase. So chain 1 and a single crochet into the same space, one more into the same space. So 2 single crochets into each stitch. So total of 12 single crochets. Single crochets, slip stitch into first single crochet, not the chain 1, into the single crochet. Now we will tighten the magic circle. Again we are going to work increases, but after every single stitch. So 1 into the next stitch we will be working an increase. In the next stitch increase. So every alternate stitch we are going to work increase. After this round we'll have 18 single crochets, and with increase, slip stitch to join. Now for next 4 rounds we will be working without any increases, 18 single crochets. Once you have finished 4 rounds of 18 single crochets, the last round we will be working single crochet, chain 1, same way without any increases, but in between chain ones. So chain 1, single crochet into the next stitch, chain 1, single crochet. So again 18 single crochet and 18 chain 1 spaces. In between each single crochets we will be working a chain 1. Slip stitch into the first single crochet, chain 1 and finish off. So jhumka is ready. Now we'll attach it to the main part. For that, just pull up the loops through the center part. We'll just secure it to the flower. Things are ready. I have attached beads using tapestry needle on the jhumka as well as on the flower portion, a bigger bead and the top portion. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please do feel free to write in the comment section. So until we meet with yet another project, take care, stay safe.